Welcome back to Learn with Loco, everyone.
Max here, and today's topic is a good one. Loco, did you know that adding a tiny little comma can literally save a person's life?
Save a life? Max, are you talking about grammar again? Or have you finally lost it?
I'm serious. I'm talking about relative clauses and that sneaky little comma that changes the whole meaning.
Oh, you mean the difference between let's eat, Grandma, and let's eat, Grandma?
Exactly. Today we are looking at defining and non-defining relative clauses.
It sounds a bit technical, but I promise it's simpler than it sounds.
Let's start with defining relative clauses, which provide essential information.
And we don't use commas with those, right?
Right, because the information is necessary to identify who or what we are talking about.
Like if I say, the student who sits in the back row is my best friend.
Perfect. If you take out who sits in the back row, I don't know which student you mean.
Exactly. It defines the specific student.
Another example. I have a brother who lives in London.
Wait, does that mean you have other brothers who live elsewhere?
Exactly. That clause is necessary to distinguish him from my other brothers.
Now, what happens when the information is just extra or bonus info?
That's when we use non-defining relative clauses, and yes, we need commas.
So if I say, my brother who lives in London is visiting next week, I only have one brother?
You nailed it. The commas tell us the fact about London is just extra detail.
It's like a little pause in the sentence, almost like you're whispering a secret.
Exactly. A little side note that doesn't change the main subject.
I like that. It's like a grammar ornament.
That's a funny way to put it, but it works.
I see students mixing these up all the time when they write emails.
The biggest mistake is using that in a non-defining clause.
Wait, can we use that in a non-defining clause with commas?
Never. It must be which or who if you have commas.
So, my car that is red is fast is actually wrong?
It should be, my car which is red is fast.
And if I want to use that, I have to drop the commas?
Yes, but then it becomes a defining clause. The car that is red is fast.
So, the red one is the fast one compared to the slow blue one.
See? You're a natural at this.
So, to wrap it up, if the information is necessary to identify the subject, no commas, and we can use that.
And if the information is just an extra detail, add commas and use which or.
And please, always use the comma if you want to avoid eating your grandma.
That is definitely the most important takeaway for today.
Don't forget to practice this in your next English writing task.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Hope that helped. Hit subscribe for more.
See you next time.